Listen, I'm about to show you how I'm making over $1,000 a week selling digital products. And no, it's not Etsy, not Amazon, and not Stan Store. It's a platform called System.io, and it's honestly the best kept secret for selling digital stuff online. I've been using it for years, it runs my entire business, and it's completely free to start. Now, before you click away, let me break down exactly why I ditched the big platforms and how this setup makes consistent sales every week, even while I sleep. See, everyone thinks Etsy or Amazon are shortcuts. They've got traffic, so you assume that means instant sales. But here's the catch. You're not building your business, you're renting space on their land. They hit you with listing fees, transaction fees, ad costs, and the second you stop paying, your traffic dies. Drop a true that in the comments if you've ever felt like you're working for the platform instead of yourself. Anyway, here's the move. Own your audience, own your income. And that's what System.io lets you do. It's your website, your email list, your sales pages, and your checkout all in one. No listing fees, no ad spend required. And they let you run your whole business free up to 2,000 subscribers. That's why I swear by it, because it gives you control. You're not at the mercy of someone else's algorithm. And you can grab a free System.io account using the link below this video. And I'll show you how to turn it into your first 1K week setup. Here's exactly what I do, step by step. Step 1, you're going to want to build your crowd. Me, I focus on YouTube because videos bring people in 24/7. One video can keep working for you for years. And step 2, offer a freebie. Something quick, helpful, like a digital product that gives people a small win. That's how you're going to collect the emails and start building your list. And if you need some ideas or templates, make sure you check out my free digital product store. Of course, the link is going to be below. Everything inside works perfectly with System.io, so you'll have ready-to-use freebies to even get started. Step 3, survey your list. Once you've got about 100 plus subscribers, ask them what they're struggling with. That's how you're going to find product ideas that actually sell. And step 4, build your checkout page. I make all of my checkout pages inside System.io, and it only takes about 10 minutes or less. And once it's live, you can literally make sales in your sleep. When all this connects, YouTube, your freebie, your list, and your checkout, you've got a real online business that runs on autopilot. Look, it takes effort, but that effort compounds. You're building your traffic, your following, your business. You don't need Etsy's permission. You don't need Amazon's fees. You just need the right system. So here's what you need to do next. Grab your free System.io account using the first link below and download my free digital product store as your starter pack. Together, that's going to be your full setup to start selling digital products today. And before you bounce, tap here to watch my video on the 5 digital products that don't sell anymore, so you don't waste time making the wrong stuff. Let's build different. See you in the next one.